Hey, hello friends, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to learn some GK questions on GS, General Science. Which branch of science deals with kidney disease? Nephrology. What does WWW stand for in the world of Internet, World Wide Web? Which part of the human body is affected by bronchitis? Respiratory. What would you call the study of earthquake seismology? Which instrument is used to measure the density of milk? Lactometer. Which part of a plant is onion modified? Stem. Which branch of medical science deal with skin? Dermatology. Which metal is added to steel for make it stainless steel? Chromium. On which disease did Robert Koch work? Tuberculosis, which is called as TB. What is the common name for the drug acetyl salicylic acid? Aspirin. In which part of the plant does photosynthesis takes place? Leaves. Who first measured the velocity of light? Ole Romer. Which vitamin is available to the human body through sunbathing? Vitamin D. Which drug is extracted from the bark of cinchona tree? Quinine. In which year was the first test tube baby in India? 1978. Which organ is affected by trachoma? Eyes. Who invented zero? We are proud it's Indians. Which is the hardest substance in the human body? Tooth enamel. Which natural element has the highest melting point? Tungsten. In the treatment of which disease is dialysis used? Kidney failure. What causes mumps? Virus. How many pairs of walking legs does a cockroach have? 3. Who invented logarithm tables? John Napier. You can see him. What is the range in hertz of the normal human hearing? 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Which drugs are used to lower the body temperature? Antipyretics. Which liquid is used in an aneroid barometer? Mercury barometer. Name the surgeon who pioneered the antiseptic surgical technique 1865. Joseph Lister. Which animal doesn't have nervous system? Sponges. Which lenses are used by people having short sightedness? Concave lenses. Who first discovered how blood circulates in the human body? William Harvey. Name the animal which can do without water in its entire life. Kangaroo. Cat. Inside which organ is the gallbladder located? Liver. Name the scientist who first declared that the earth revolves around the sun. Copernicus. Name the drug which block the sensory nerve and prevent the patients from feeling pain. Anesthetics. What is the capital of Karnataka? Bangalore. Please subscribe our channel and encourage us. Thank you.